Disney's newest and largest ship is making waves in Southeast Asia, and if you're a family looking to combine a tropical cruise with the magic of Disney, the Disney Adventure offers something genuinely different from the rest of the fleet. This massive vessel weighs in at over 200,000 gross tons, making it not only Disney's biggest ship ever but one of the largest cruise ships on the planet. Built specifically for the Southeast Asian market and sailing year-round from Singapore, the Adventure brings Disney's signature storytelling to a region that's never had a dedicated Disney cruise presence before. The ship carries around 6,700 passengers across 20 decks, though Disney typically keeps capacity closer to 6,000 for a more comfortable experience. What sets this ship apart from its sisters is its origin story. It started life as a half-built vessel that Disney transformed with major redesigns to create a floating theme park tailored to Asian waters. The result is a ship that feels both familiar to Disney fans and refreshingly new, with 7 distinct themed areas that bring beloved characters and stories to life in ways you won't find on any other cruise ship. When it comes to staterooms, the Disney Adventure offers the full range of options that cruisers expect from a modern megaship. Inside cabins provide a budget-friendly way to experience the ship, while ocean view rooms add natural light and a window to the sea. Balcony staterooms give families private outdoor space to enjoy the tropical breezes, and for those wanting to splurge, the suites deliver extra square footage and premium amenities. Disney has always been strong on family-friendly cabin design, and the Adventure continues that tradition with thoughtful touches that make traveling with kids easier. Many staterooms feature split bathrooms, a genius layout that lets multiple family members get ready at once without the usual morning chaos. The cabins also incorporate smart technology to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment, though the specifics of these systems vary by room category. Accessible staterooms are available for guests with mobility needs, featuring wider doorways, roll-in showers, and other adaptations. Families with young children will appreciate rooms that can accommodate up to 5 people with pull-down beds and convertible sofas. The decor leans into Disney theming without going overboard, striking a balance between whimsy and comfort that works for both kids and adults. Dining on the Disney Adventure earns solid marks, with reviewers giving the food an 8 out of 10. The ship features multiple main dining rooms where families rotate through different themed restaurants each night, a signature Disney approach that keeps meals interesting throughout the voyage. Each venue offers a distinct atmosphere and menu, though all accommodate the same rotating dining schedule. Beyond the main restaurants, you'll find specialty dining options that require reservations and often carry an additional charge. These venues let adults enjoy a more refined experience or give families a break from the standard rotation. The ship also features casual dining spots for quick bites, perfect for those days when you'd rather grab something fast and get back to the pool or activities. Bars and lounges are scattered throughout the ship, offering everything from tropical cocktails to craft beers. The beverage program includes both alcoholic and non-alcoholic options, with Disney's famous attention to themed presentation. Coffee bars serve specialty drinks throughout the day, while ice cream stations keep kids happy between meals. The sheer variety means you're unlikely to eat at the same place twice unless you want to. The pool deck is where the Disney Adventure truly shows off its megaship scale. Multiple pools cater to different age groups and energy levels, from family splash zones where kids can play together to quieter areas designed for relaxation. Whirlpools provide a spot to unwind with a view of the ocean, while the sun decks offer plenty of loungers for those who want to soak up the Southeast Asian sunshine. Water slides add excitement for thrill seekers, and knowing Disney's track record, these likely feature theming and storytelling elements that go beyond your typical cruise ship slide. Splash zones designed for younger children give toddlers a safe place to cool off while parents keep a close eye from nearby seating. The layout spreads these aquatic areas across multiple decks, which helps prevent overcrowding even when the ship sails at full capacity. Adults looking for a child-free zone will find dedicated spaces where they can relax without the sounds of cannonballs and Marco Polo games. These areas typically feature their own pools, hot tubs, and premium lounging options. The tropical itinerary means outdoor spaces get heavy use year-round. so Disney has designed the pool decks to handle crowds while still offering pockets of tranquility. Onboard activities on the Disney Adventure received a perfect 10 out of 10 for entertainment, the highest score in the reviewers' assessment. The ship features live shows that bring Disney stories to stage with Broadway-quality production values, elaborate costumes, and talented performers. Character meet and greets happen throughout the day, giving kids chances to hug their favorite heroes and princesses. Sports facilities provide active options for guests who want to burn energy between ports. The ship boasts the largest roller coaster at sea, a genuine thrill ride that would be impressive even on land, let alone on a moving vessel. This engineering marvel came from the ship's original design before Disney took over, and it remains a headline attraction that sets the adventure apart from every other cruise ship afloat. Fitness enthusiasts will find a well-equipped gym with cardio machines, weights, and space for stretching or group classes. The fitness center typically offers ocean views to make treadmill time more enjoyable. Cultural and educational programs round out the activity roster, with options that might include cooking demonstrations, trivia contests, or enrichment lectures about the destinations you're visiting. The spa and wellness facilities give adults a sanctuary for pampering and relaxation. Treatment menus include massages, facials, body wraps, and other services you'd expect from a high-end spa, all delivered in serene treatment rooms designed to help you forget you're on a ship. The spa likely incorporates some Asian-inspired treatments given the ship's home region, though specific offerings weren't detailed in available information. Sauna and steam rooms provide complimentary relaxation options for spa guests, perfect for unwinding after a workout or before a treatment. Thermal suites with heated loungers might be available for a daily or cruise-long fee, offering a quiet escape with ocean views. Yoga classes and fitness instruction help guests maintain their wellness routines while on vacation, with sessions held in dedicated studio spaces or sometimes on outdoor decks at sunrise. The spa also serves as a retail space for skincare and beauty products, giving you a chance to take home the lotions and potions used in your treatments. Couples massages and packages let partners enjoy side-by-side pampering. While the spa won't revolutionize your cruise experience, it provides a solid option for those who want to add some self-care to their vacation. Kids and teens clubs are central to the Disney Adventure experience, as you'd expect from a family-focused cruise line. Disney has decades of experience creating age-appropriate spaces where children actually want to spend time, and the adventure brings that expertise to Southeast Asia. Nurseries care for the youngest cruisers, while themed play areas for elementary-age kids offer activities, games, and character visits supervised by trained youth counselors. Tweens get their own hangout space designed to feel cool and independent, with video games, activities, and social events that don't feel babyish. Teen clubs provide a place for older kids to meet peers, with lounges, entertainment, and excursions designed specifically for that age group. The programming runs throughout the day and into the evening, giving parents the freedom to enjoy adult activities knowing their kids are safe, entertained, and making vacation memories of their own. The clubs are complimentary, which is a huge value compared to the upcharges some cruise lines impose. Counselors lead structured activities but also allow free play, striking a balance that keeps kids engaged without overscheduling every minute. Many families find their children beg to go back to the kids' club rather than having to be convinced, which speaks to how well Disney designs these spaces. The Disney Adventure sails the seas of Southeast Asia from its year-round home port in Singapore, opening up a region rich with culture, beaches, and adventure. Singapore itself deserves exploration, with its blend of modern architecture, diverse neighborhoods, and world-class food scene. Shore excursions from Singapore and other ports let guests dive deeper into local experiences, from temple visits to jungle treks to beach days on pristine islands. The specific itineraries and ports vary, but sailing in Southeast Asian waters means access to destinations that might include Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, or Indonesia, depending on the route. These ports offer everything from bustling markets and historical sites to snorkeling and wildlife encounters. The warm climate and relatively calm seas make this region ideal for year-round cruising, without the hurricane seasons or cold weather that affect other cruise destinations. Shore excursions range from cultural immersion to pure relaxation, with options for different activity levels and interests. Families might choose excursions that combine education with fun, while couples could opt for romantic beach getaways or adventure activities. The advantage of cruising this region is the incredible diversity of experiences within relatively short sailing distances, letting you sample multiple countries and cultures in a single voyage. Taking everything into account, the Disney adventure earns an overall 7 out of 10 from reviewers who have experienced the ship firsthand. The entertainment stands out as the clear winner, delivering the magic and production quality Disney is famous for. Food quality also impresses at 8 out of 10, showing that Disney has worked to elevate the dining experience beyond standard cruise fare. Theming scores a 7, which is solid though perhaps not quite at the immersive level of Disney's theme parks. Where the ship loses points is in layout and staterooms, both scoring 6 out of 10. The layout can feel confusing given the ship's massive size and its origin as a vessel designed for a different purpose before Disney's transformation. Staterooms, while functional and family-friendly, don't quite reach the innovation or luxury level of some competitors in this size class. The overall Disney Cruise Line feel rates a 7, suggesting the ship captures the brand's essence but might not feel as distinctly Disney as the purpose-built ships in the fleet. The adventure represents Disney's ambitious entry into the Asian cruise market, and while it has some growing pains typical of any new ship, it delivers a vacation experience that families genuinely enjoy. The sheer scale means there's always something happening, though it also means crowds during peak times. For families who love Disney and want to explore Southeast Asia, the combination is hard to beat. What makes the Disney adventure truly stand out is its collection of unique features you won't find anywhere else. Those 7 themed areas, Disney Imagination Garden, Toy Story Place, San Francisco Street, Town Square, Wayfinder Bay, Disney Discovery Reef, and Marvel Landing, create distinct neighborhoods within the ship, each with its own atmosphere and attractions. This approach turns the vessel into multiple destinations rather than one homogeneous cruise ship. The roller coaster remains the showstopper, a genuine amusement park attraction that happens to be on a cruise ship. This engineering achievement alone makes the adventure noteworthy in cruise industry history. The ship also debuts World of Disney at Sea, with over 17,000 square feet of retail space for guests who want to shop for merchandise and souvenirs without leaving the ship. From a technical standpoint, the adventure is methanol-ready and operates on a mix of sustainable and low-emission fuels like HVO, showing Disney's commitment to reducing environmental impact. While green methanol isn't yet available in Singapore, the infrastructure is in place for when it becomes viable. The ship's size puts it in elite company. It's the third cruise line to operate ships over 200,000 gross tons, joining only Royal Caribbean and MSC in that category. Being more than 40% larger than Disney's Wish-class ships, the adventure represents a significant scaling up for the cruise line. It's the first Disney ship designed specifically for a non-Western market, which influenced everything from dining options to entertainment choices. This regional focus makes it genuinely different from the rest of the fleet rather than just another ship with a different name. The Disney adventure doesn't heavily market itself as a conference or events venue, focusing instead on family vacations and leisure travel. However, a ship of this size inevitably has meeting spaces and facilities that could accommodate groups or special events. These spaces likely see more use for onboard activities and programming than for traditional business conferences, though private events and celebrations certainly take place throughout the ship. Guest experience highlights center on those magical Disney moments that the brand has perfected over decades. Character interactions feel personal and special, with performers staying in character and making each child feel like the star of their own story. The attention to detail in theming creates photo opportunities around every corner, from carefully designed backdrops to perfectly timed character appearances. Service moments that stand out include crew members going above and beyond to celebrate birthdays, accommodate dietary needs, or simply make guests feel welcomed and valued. The multicultural crew brings warmth and professionalism to every interaction, whether serving dinner, cleaning staterooms, or leading activities. First-time cruisers often comment on how the crew's enthusiasm and helpfulness exceeded their expectations, creating a vacation atmosphere that feels both relaxed and special. The adventure delivers memorable experiences through its combination of scale, theming, and Disney's operational expertise. Watching the ship's lights illuminate the tropical night as you sail between islands, experiencing a Broadway-caliber show with your family, or seeing your child's face light up during a character breakfast, these are the moments that make the Disney adventure more than just a cruise ship. It's a floating resort that brings Disney magic to Southeast Asia, offering families a unique way to explore a fascinating region while enjoying the entertainment and service Disney is known for worldwide.